In this video, we will show you how to allow pop-ups on Safari web browser. If you're using macOS and then your pop-ups on your website is blocked, you can enable the pop-ups on Safari preferences. How to do that? First, open your Safari web browser here. Okay, for example, this is my Safari. I will make this maximize so we can easier to view. And then after that, you can go to the Safari menu. Okay, and choose preferences here, and after that you can choose a websites and you can scroll down here and find the pop-ups windows. Okay, then you can enable or allow this pop-up, and after that it's done. Then when you open the web with pop-ups, the pop-ups will not block it by Safari. Okay, that's all tutorial how to enable or allowing pop-ups on websites if you are using Safari web browser on macOS. If you have any questions, you can fill in the comments below, and thanks for watching.